control flow based. Here we will discuss about statement coverage, decision coverage, and path coverage. Boundary interior, which is here inside the boundary, which is a part of a path coverage. We will see how it will be. So let's take an example to show what is the how can we use the state coverage. This is the pen tools. Okay. We have this function. This is the function in this class, in this UML Java. It is to calculate the greatest common division. It will have two inputs, two integers. If you remember in the black box testings, the two integer, we just get the range, and then we get what is this GCD should do, just get the calculation and give us the result. But here, no, we create the test cases to check where these test cases will go. It will cover this statement and this statement, or this one or this one. So here we'll try to test and we'll measure the coverage of the codes. Okay, so this is first how to use white box testing. Of course, you cannot use like the lines number of statements here. So first you have to convert your code into control flow graph. We say that we will use control flow graph. If you remember that we can create the from the code, the control flow graph, we can create nodes and aids. Nodes and aids. Also, you can refer to recorded class in the static testings, part 3, I think, for the how to calculate the cyclomatic complexity and how we convert the code into control flow graph. Each node or each statement should be represented by node. Okay, so this is line should be represented by 1. So if you have 2 nodes or 3 more than 2 nodes, they are will be run in a synchronize in a frequency. So let's say number 2, 1 and 2 and 3 will be run in every test, in every run, right? So here these can be combined as one block. But here, because it's the beginning, so we make it as a start. Then a start after this node will come to node 2. Node 2 will go to node 3. So if I want to increase the control flow graph, so I separate 2 to 3. So I will create 1, 2, 3 every time. So here my control flow graph will be very big. Okay. So instead to use the very huge control flow graph, you can combine 2 nodes or 3 nodes together. Okay, so here we convert this code to the control flow graph. Second, then what you have to do, then you can see here, this one you can label as a statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4, statement 5, here statement 6, statement 7, statement 8. Each node represents as a statement. And each here, this one is a branch, right? And this one is a branch. Are you with me? Okay, let me check the chatting. Have any question? If you have any question, please unmute your mic and you can ask questions. All right. So first, we say that we have a statement coverage, branch coverage, or decision coverage. Here, statements. I show how many statements in this code. And then I want to show branches. This is branch 1. And this is another branch, branch 2. So maybe another student label this one branch 1. This is branch 2. It's okay. So is there any other branches? Anyone? You can write in the chatting. Is there any branches here? So first you have to structure your code, then we create a testing. Later we show you how to create a testing and how we cover all this. So we analyze the data control flow here. Is there any another branch? The branch means if there is a node and there are two ways from this node. Like this node have two ways, right? Yeah, node 8, yeah, we'll have here branch. So branch 4, and whether to go here or to go here, and branch 5. All right, so good. So here I have, is there any other branch? No, right? Okay, thank you, Maaz, and thank you, Shin, Ho Shin. So here we have branches and statements, and we have also paths. We have the first path from the first node to the end. What is the first path? This path. One, to come here and go here. This is the first path. Second path, here, I go here again. Third path, I come from this way and then go here. Another path, jump here. All right. So here we have path coverage, statement coverage. After we analyze our structure, then we try to show what is the, here as I say, statement coverage, decision coverage, path coverage. Decisions or branch. Here I have this decision or this decision, this decision or this decision. All right. Let me clean all this. So in the statement coverage, we try, as I said here, we should get the statement. We should get the statement coverage. How many statements in the previous code here, in the previous structure here, we have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 statements. So the total statement here is 8. And statement executed. What does it mean, statement executed? That when we create a test case, when we run maybe test case number 1, maybe it cover 6 statements from the among all the statements. So here we cover 6 over 8. So we will use this one is